neat is with the design, I don't have to worry about all the hair on her paws.
What?
I have it on setting number 2, just because she's really sensitive to noises. And even with as thick and strong as her nails are, it's still managing to grind them. Let me see if she'll tolerate going up one. I'm using the dust collector cap option. Of course, some dust still gets out, but it does help contain some of it. Very good, girl. You know, the dust collection cap isn't doing much to catch it, because every time you turn it, it kind of falls back out of the opening. But it catches a little bit of it, so something's better than nothing. And this guy's being much less reactive than he usually is. He really fights me on his nails, which is why I have to feed him peanut butter the entire time. And I've got it on setting 3, so yeah, and I know he'll tolerate a higher setting. Make it go even quicker. It's very quiet, as you can hear, compared to the name brand. I don't want to mention the name. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm glad I ordered this. I think my dogs are going to be happy too.